It's very clear to us at Elisa that mobile network evolution is driven by AI. A key enabler of this transformation is AI-RAN. For our customers, AI-RAN translates into more reliable connections, better performance under load, and faster recovery from faults. These are practical, experience-driven benefits. It is also a strategic investment for the upcoming 6G era, enabling a smoother transition to future AI-native services. That's why we work with trusted partners like Nokia, who are not just talking about AI, but are helping us deploy it in real networks with real outcomes. Together, we can create more value for our customers. In March 2026, we completed an AI for RAN proof of concept with Nokia in Finland, using AI to optimize RAN performance. In this early feature testing, we used artificial intelligence to optimize 5G carrier aggregation in real time based on actual radio network conditions. As a result, we saw a nice increase in downlink spectral efficiency and also an improvement in downlink throughput. For mobile users, these types of improvements mean a better customer experience. Using AI for RAN is a natural step that fits well in our long-term journey toward autonomous networks. In parallel, we are advancing our collaboration on cloud AI RAN. The key principle is to run radio workloads and AI inference on shared cloud-native GPU-accelerated infrastructure. This helps us prepare our network for ultra-low latency applications like virtual or extended reality, and future agentic AI and physical AI applications running at the network edge. Together with Nokia, we are turning AI RAN from a concept into an operational reality and taking confident steps toward AI-native 6G.